Sure is.
Hey.
Everybody, hanging out with my peeps today. We're going to Strawberry Hill. Ain't that right, Miss Dean? All right. That's a big one, isn't it? Alright, this next part of the vlog, I almost hate to stick it in the vlog, but I want the vlogs to be completely honest about what my life is actually like. Going from such a beautiful moment this morning, and then someone's getting pulled over, yeesh, and then going into a scrapyard is a shame, but that's the life of a pastor. One minute you're unclogging toilets and mowing the yard of the church, the next minute you're getting to enjoy some fellowship in a really nice establishment. So with that said, this is the rest of the day. Vamos! You say what? I ain't going to scrap no metal. Hey, nice shirt. No, tú? Strawberries from this morning. And we're good to go. Knowing my dad, he's gonna say something about these Chick-fil-A bags I left in here yesterday. $29. For you, my friend.
Por 29 dólares.
That's from sleeping on your arm. Hey, my Chick-fil-A. I guess he did want it. Here you go. Alright, so that sheet metal took up a lot of space, but definitely not worth much. It's $7 every 100 pounds. It's a good experience just to have something to do, but we definitely would need something a lot heavier. In fact, the biggest hassle wasn't even loading the van or unloading the van. The biggest hassle is getting your driver's license and waiting for them to triple check that you're not, you know, a thief or something like that, so they can give you $29.70 cash. But overall, not bad. We're gonna head back home. I still have to go by the office today.